Okay, you again, Pat, the quiet peer.
So I love that example that Katie just talked about. I mean, look at the size of this hole, right? Like, right? I love that example because, again, it allows us to emphasize the person is doing 99.999% of the time, this person is doing what he thinks he's supposed to do. He thinks he's supposed to pee in the diaper. He thinks you're like insane. What do you mean? In the toilet. What are you talking about, Mom? What are you talking about, teacher? What are you talking about, educational assistant? You've lost your mind, right? So we need to start where he's at and then gradually bring him to where we are. That's what good instruction is. So this is powerful, good instruction. He is not gaming you. He really sincerely, deeply believes that he's doing the right thing, and you have to just help him do something different. Okay, so here's my scenario. We call this one the quiet peer. And there's kind of two versions of this that we get. One is, I don't know, I'm pee training, either the long way or the rapid toilet training way. I don't know when to provide the reinforcer because I can't tell if he's peed in the toilet or not because it's so quiet. And or I don't know when to provide the reinforcer because I can't tell when he's finished peeing in the toilet, right? Remember, we said don't interrupt the urine stream by getting all excited because now he's going to clench and he's not going to empty his bladder. So you want to wait till he's finished peeing. But if you can't tell when he's finished peeing, what can I do? I've got a solution for you. This is very common in girls. Because in girls, often, or in people with female anatomy, often the urine stream will hit the bowl in the front and then just kind of flow down the side of the inside of the toilet bowl, and you don't hear the pee, 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 pee. It can also be an issue for boys who sit to pee, especially if you have one of those seats where there's a bit of a lip that catches the urine and it kind of goes down the inside of the bowl. So this is not an uncommon problem. And the problem is that the urine doesn't hit the water with sufficient force or sufficient volume for you to hear it. So you don't know that it's happening or you don't know when it's finished happening. It doesn't make that tinkle sound. Here's my solution. This is called Pat's aluminum roasting pan solution. I like to shape the disposable aluminum roasting pan that you use at Thanksgiving to make your turkey so you don't have to wash the pan afterwards? Get that. Or get a sheet of heavy duty, not regular, but heavy duty aluminum foil and shape it to fit inside the toilet on top of the water, right? So that when the person pees, it hits that metal, it makes a great noise, and it lets you know when the peeing starts and when the peeing ends. Let me see if I can give you an example. Here's my aluminum roasting pan. I hope this sound works. See? Like that. That's what you want. Right? Sound, 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 sound. Is it weird? Yes. Will it solve your problem? Yes. I've used it for years. I'm known for it. It's good that I'm known for something, I guess. I like the aluminum roasting pan better than the aluminum foil because the aluminum foil, thing can actually sink and then you're toast. The roasting pan will sit nicely on top of the water. And if you've got a silent peer, then this will let you know, A, that it started and B, that it stopped. So there you go. Hope that helps.